Hey, what's up everyone? It's Cowboy B from Wet Jet Performance. I'm going to teach you guys how to stop you losing the cap, the wet jet cap that you buy. I know they bounce off sometimes. I've had them bounce off. I've even had the OEM oil cap bounce off, so I still want them to look good. So if you got the lanyard, whatever you buy them. So I'm going to show you how to put that on here right now. What you want to do is slide your lanyard in straight through, grab a screwdriver or something, pull it through. Take your keychain in. Stick it through here, just like so. So now, it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to show you how to modify the dipstick to make it work. Reach in, grab your dipstick. If it's too tight, grab some pliers or something. Boom. There it goes. Reach in there. Pull it all the way out. Don't drip any oil. Alright, what you want to do is get your oil stick. Put a hole close to the top. Drill all the way through. Make the hole pretty big. Not that big. All right, what you're gonna do after you got your hole drilled, take your lanyard, clip it through. Clips right on. Now when your dipstick is twisted in, this ain't going nowhere. It can pop off, but it'll land right back in your footwell, go anywhere you need it to go. So now the oil cap comes with the lanyard, so no more losing your oil cap from Wet Jet Performance. And you can do this for the OEM cap too if you want to do it, because we've had plenty of customers lose the OEM cap. Take your dipstick, put it back in, lock it down. In there. Line up your grooves. Lock it down tight. It's locked on. And if it happens to bounce off, it's not going anywhere anymore. So this has been Cowboy B from Wet Jet Performance.